Simon Sugar. So today I will be giving you my review for the Streax Professional Hair Straightener, which I have done the step by step on how to use it. And I have said in that video that I will do a review of after 3 days. And actually it's not already 3 days, it's already 1 week. But you can still see the difference from my old hair to this new hair, which I had applied that cream. And then if you have not watched that video, you can watch the video right here. We'll link that video right here, and you just click that and watch it first and watch this review. Okay, now I will show you how my hair looks like after 1 week of applying that hair straightener cream. And I had washed my hair for about 3 times already, so you will really know the difference, or was it effective or not. Looks like now after I applied that straightening cream, and if you can see, it looks quite different just right after I applied that cream, but still it is still straight as compared before that I was not using that cream. So what I can say to this product, the Streax Professional Hair Straightener, it's good but it's not the best. So if I rate it from a 4 or 5 star, I will rate it 4 star. Yes, I will rate it 4 star because it's really not that soft and it's really not that straight like how other brands does to your hair. So you can still go for it if you're really interested for this product. And that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I hope you enjoy watching our channel. And I have next coming video, which is eyebrows on flick. Watch out for it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.